Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Chrome's Google Password Manager feature. So let's get started with the video. So if you have saved all your password in Google Chrome, whenever you try to log in, a pop-up window comes and you save it. Where you can find it is, you will see a three dots at the upper right side. Click on that. Then you need to go to the settings. Once you're on the settings, here you will see an option of autofill and passwords. Click on that and then click on Google Password Manager. Here you will see the login details, the login credential for all the websites logins that you have been saved. If you want to add any of them, you can click on this add and you can write the site URL here, username, password, and then click on the save icon. If you want to delete any, what you can do is click here. You need to verify yourself and here you will get an option of delete. You can either edit it if you want to edit the details, credential details. If you want to delete it, you can click on this delete icon. So this is how you can use the feature of Password Manager, Chrome's enhanced Password Manager. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.